David, you've chosen the CORREA NORMA L. What was your reason behind this purchase?
Hopefully to increase production and free up other machines by being able to do more operations in one hit. And also it replaces an old mill, an old manual mill, which was a similar size.
And so why did you go for the CORREA brand?
Well, I think we under the impression that's one of the best out there on the market. So.
And what went into the installation? I know it's been quite a journey for you getting this even in the facility.
Well, the installation starts with the footings, which was quite a large hole, and you have to have them in place for a month before the machine can be fitted. So you lose a month's downtime, and the moving of all the machinery, the cater or cope to fit the new one in was caused a lot of upset in the.
A little bit of hard work went into it.
Yes, very much so. Yeah.
As a machine operator, what excites you about using this machine?
Well, it's a brand new machine. First time I've been on one, brand new. Normally dents are put in there for me, and just it's the first large machine we've had with a tool change, automatic tool change. So hopefully that will make my life easier.
What do you think about the new hide and hind control? I know you haven't used it yet, but what are your thoughts on it, and why do you think it will help you?
We have used the older models of the hide and hind, and we've been told that we should be able to adapt to the new one quite easily. So hopefully that's the case. We should be away up and running quite quickly.
Now I can see that you've got some older machines within your machine shop. So what excites you about using a brand new machine?
Well, hopefully that will de-skill the job a little bit. So anyone should be able to go on there and do what we currently do on 3 skilled machines. The plan is to do it on one, and then the skilled people can carry on the old machines, making other bits, hopefully.
As an engineer, are you looking forward to using the machine?
Yes, new machine, new control, new challenges, hopefully quicker production and a cleaner environment to work in.